Darling, I have something for you.
Oh really? What is that?
Surprise!
Alright. Oh, it's a
What is that?
package.
Yeah.
What is that?
Have a look.
It's a big package.
Yeah.
What does it say? It says to Ibu Erin. It's from Makati in Philippines.
Yeah, wow. From somebody.
Alright, should I get something to open it?
Yes.
Alright, you
Okay.
hold this.
Happy, yeah?
Yes, looks big. Yeah. Alright, let's see.
Okay, bring in.
Yeah. It is heavy for sure. It's a big one.
Yeah, wow. Can I check?
Yeah. So,
Bro.
it's from the Kilners.
Wow, Kilner family.
Uh-huh.
Makati, yeah?
Yeah.
Philippines.
Alright, let's have a look.
Okay. Open.
Yeah, I'll start opening it. It's packed quite well, huh?
Yes. He's so happy, yeah?
Yeah, it feels very heavy actually. I don't know.
Okay.
What do you think of this?
Secret dong. Buka aja ya, buka. Kejutan.
Oh. Well, it looks like this one. Oh, look at that! Ah, now I remember. Wow,
Yeah,
it's so long time ago.
yeah.
It's
Landing in ocean, yeah, for how many months? From February, you know.
It's a coffee machine.
Yeah.
Espresso machine.
Yeah, it's perfect, yeah.
Yeah, that's. I remember when we. Do you remember when we visited them last time? It's 2 years ago,
Yeah,
and that's why we saw this machine
yeah.
in the. Well, actually, Mark had
What's
it,
the
right?
brand?
It's called Asahi.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
It's
it's
nice, right?
Yeah, it's the
It's difficult to find, yeah.
it's a Japanese product,
Okay.
and I remember we had coffee all the time.
Yeah, when we in Philippines, yeah, in their house.
No, it was great. Wow, I have to say, it looks great. Wow. Then I can finally have my own espresso coffee, just like when we are over in Philippines.
Okay.
Let's see, yeah. Let me try to put it up. I have to do this right. I think I have to pull it out.
Saya mau bikin kopi. Sundanese kopi, not coffee. Susah ya?
Yeah, it's a bit difficult because it's tight. I don't know. Have to probably have to do bottom up on it.
You nervous?
Yeah, because it's well, honestly, I think it's exciting. So that's
Wow,
why.
wow, wow.
Yeah, and we'll turn it up.
Careful.
Yeah, indeed.
Wih, hati-hati mas.
Yeah.
Pelan-pelan aja.
No, but I am definitely very excited because I am looking forward to getting a good cup of coffee. Look at this.
Coffee cappuccino hot.
Yeah, you can make you can make everything on this.
Cool.
See?
Wow.
That's very, very cool. That's great. So we should put it up and try to make coffee.
Yeah, sure.
So,
Oke, saya akan pesan. Mas, saya pesan kopi 1 ya.
okay.
Black coffee. Berapa satu gelasnya?
Okay, let me try to do that.
5.000 atau 50.000? Free lah for me.
Free for you, but yes. But what a great surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they still have something, you know. Masih ada lagi kadonya.
Oh?
Yeah. Maybe
You mean it?
I'm open or what?
Yes, you can. Yeah. Alright, let me have it.
Okay.
So yes, it looks like there's more in here.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
What is this? Wow. Okay. One more.
Ooh. What is that? That looks like. That looks like Fresno.
Okay. I have 2 more ya.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So
Wow.
tell me what it is.
Give me a second. Earring.
Ah, wow. Yeah, cool.
Beautiful ya.
Yeah, that's a very nice color.
Yeah. Have to be careful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this one.
Beautiful.
And then ini ya.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this one nih. My name.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Erin.
Very good for the
I
for the
think-
fridge. Yeah.
Yeah.
Magnetic. Lovely. It's a very beautiful package.
Ini apa ya guys? Ini dari teman kita yang tinggal di Filipina. Maybe around 4 years ya, 4 tahun ya mereka di sana. Correct?
Yeah.
4 years.
Yes.
Kira-kira ya.
Kira-kira, that's correct.
Close my eyes.
Oh, that's a good one. Come on, it's exciting. Ooh.
Wow. Do you know this? Wow, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
For table.
For the dinner table.
Yeah.
Ah, that's nice.
Spesial guys.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh
that's
ya,
to
untuk sendok dan garpunya ya.
hold the napkins, yes.
Yeah. And then this one. Ini untuk gelasnya.
Yeah.
Cantik ya.
It's yeah.
It's really unique. Authentic ya.
Oh, yeah.
Oke. Bagus ya.
Beautiful colors. Yes.
Ya, my favorite color.
No, but it's very original.
Yeah, original
I
ya.
have not seen this before. Looks very.
Ya susah ya di Indonesia ya, tidak ada ya.
Yeah, no, very beautiful.
Ini dari Filipina guys, spesial ya. Ininya ini apa tuh buat tablenya ya, buat mejanya ya. This one and no this one same ya.
Oh yeah.
Or flat ya untuk piringnya. Oke. Wow. Oh, this is itu buat tangan. Untuk tangan, hand.
Yeah.
Ya. Oke. Terus ini kita buka ya. Banyak sekali guys ini kadonya. Landing di ocean dulu ya, di laut. Ada kendala dari kargonya. When they deliver before February, right? Dari Februari ya.
Yes, that's correct. Because that was for Melissa.
Yes, already pesen. So, besok kita dinner ya.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, looking forward to that.
Ya, tomorrow kita dinner.
But I'm definitely also looking forward to my cup of coffee.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So I have to be is
Yeah, you need to use the system.
gunting. You, can you say gunting?
Good thing.
Okay.
You're working hard there to open the package.
Wow, how many this one?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's
Honey.
it's very well packaged, right? There's a lot of stuff.
Close, come on. This one, guys, nice, right?
Yep. Come on, show me what it is. Is it like a photo frame or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Interesting.
Wow.
Oi.
What is this?
I don't know. Come on, show us. Hey. There we go.
Oh my god! It's so nice!
Yeah.
Ah, look at this.
Friends and family picture. Very cool. Wow. That's so nice. That's a great idea.
Oh my god!
That's a great
I
idea.
love it.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Very
Wati and Mark.
Very original. Very original.
Yeah. My hair
Well, it looks
like Shakira,
yeah. Well, it looks like it's looking now.
or Beyonce.
Yeah. Very curly. But just
Indonesian,
like now, right?
Shakira Indonesian, huh?
For sure.
Shakiranya Indonesia.
For sure.
Oke. Satu lagi.
And the scissors below the picture.
Wow.
Banyak, huh?
Ya, banyak sekali.
It must have taken a lot of time to package all this. Oh, what is it?
Purple.
Flowers. So,
My favorite color.
yeah, so nice. Yeah, very nice. And oh,
Sour. Sem ya. Bagus.
yeah,
Curly.
it looks like it's
Honey,
another
close your eyes.
photo frame. Oh, cool. That's us.
Yeah, of course.
Nice. Oh yeah, it's the same artist, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How cool. I remember that picture. Very good.
Wih. Satu lagi, dua lagi.
Oh, wow.
Masih ada ya.
So much, yeah.
party kado ya.
Yeah.
Party gift.
Yeah, it's not even our birthday. No birthday, just a normal Thursday. So very nice surprise.
Terus slowly ini.
Yeah.
Harus pelan-pelan.
Okay, I'm ready.
Apakah ini gimana?
I don't have a clue what this is. You have to. Now it's a package in package, huh? So much package.
Ini apa ini?
I don't know. No, careful, dude.
Yeah, inside.
Yeah, turn around. Oi, what is it?
Baik, tunggu ya. Wah, malam ini kita party kado guys.
Oi.
Oh my god! What is this? Look at this!
Yeah. How nice. Oh yeah.
Our love,
I can see what it is. Yes.
cinta kita.
Yeah. So nice.
Jadi malu.
Yeah.
Cinta kita. Tuh, our love.
Beautiful.
Beautiful ya, it's real, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This one guys too.
Yeah. You have to turn around so you can. Yeah. That's very beautiful. Yeah. Wow.
Hooray! Salam.
So that was a lot of beautiful things.
Yeah.
But I'm still looking forward to getting coffee.
Okay. So tomorrow morning you make coffee for me ya. Free. Harus bayar ya.
Sure.
Satu gelas 5.000 atau 50.000.
Coffee for both of us.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I think we should say a great thank you to Mark and Mama. That's really
Cool, right?
yeah.
Okay. Say something nih. And then hold this. Okay.
That's really beautiful. So, thank you so much, guys. Especially for the picture, because we think so much about you. So it's a great idea, and we'll put it up on the wall. And we do think a lot about you guys, but now we'll for sure think about you every day. So thank you so much. Thank you for sending the long time missed coffee machine for almost 2 years now.
Yes.
And for the pictures, for this beautiful sculpture, and I think Aaron is also very happy for the earrings and and the table set. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful.
And then this is
Yeah.
wow, nice, yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much. So we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.